Saudi foreign minister calls for Iran arms embargo to stop attacks on global economy. Saudi Arabia's foreign minister called on Wednesday for a renewed block on weapons sales to Iran after the latest attacks on oil facilities in the kingdom's eastern province. Ras Tanura, one of the world's biggest oil ports, was targeted by an armed drone on Sunday. Hours later, a ballistic missile was shot down over an Aramco residential area just to the south in Dhahran. A UN arms embargo expired in October, allowing Iran to purchase foreign weapons for the first time in a decade. Efforts to keep the ban in place foundered in the UN Security Council, despite intense efforts by the United States to lobby support. We have witnessed widespread condemnation of the recent attempt on facilities in Ras Tanura, as well as a strong stance from the international community that parallels the gravity of the attack that comes not only against the kingdom but also on the global economy, Prince Faisal bin Farhan said at a press conference on Wednesday with his Russian counterpart, Sergei Lavrov. The attempted strikes were condemned by governments around the world and caused a brief spike in oil prices. They took place amid a wave of drone attacks on southern Saudi Arabia by the Iran-backed Houthi militia in Yemen. Such attacks require a strong stand by the international community in confronting the perpetrators, and efforts must be concerted to stop the sources of the continuation of the conflict, Prince Faisal said. The most important of which is Iran supplying the Houthi militia with advanced weapons, including ballistic missiles and booby-trap drones. Lavrov called the developments in Yemen worrying. "We need to immediately stop the military industry," he said. Since the start of the Yemen conflict, Iranian-backed militias have targeted the kingdom with ballistic missiles and drones as Yemen slid